pool this morning. That was one of our more memorable fishing experiences. Because, you know,
and like even bigger schools.
You had one full lure.
Oh, are you kidding me? There's something. If this is elk walking along this steep human trail. Whatever it is, there's tracks of it all over this slope. All right, spot number one. Today we are here on the Stamp River. Ideally looking for coho, but this time of year you can get quite a few different things. And yes, I know I am using a spinning rod on a bait caster. Thank you, commenter from last video. But I am doing that because I broke the eyelet on my river salmon rod that I use for spinners, twitch jigs, and whatever else, mainly for coho. So I'm using this rod. Well, there are what look like bear tracks right here. There's some people tracks that have walked through them, but you can see right there, Dad thinks they're cub tracks. Hey there, little rainbow. This is a size 4 spinner. You shouldn't be taking this, buddy. This isn't for you. There he goes. But I can see a big black bear right at the edge of a really fast current area way upstream. Yeah, he's way up there. Nothing we're gonna encounter right now, at least. We have walked quite a ways upriver here, and this is probably the last spot we're gonna try before we possibly go downriver to our farm pool spot. But if we do that, it'll be quite a ways of walking today. All right, we just had a short break, a little bit of lunch at the car, and now we're off in the opposite direction down another trail. See if we can't get maybe a chance at a coho or a chinook there. There's a bear right beside me. Hey there, buddy. He's chewing on some wood. Yeah. Hey, bud. Oh, he's eating a salmon. That's why he doesn't care we're here. Yeah, he's right there. Dad, when I saw him at first, he was 10 feet away from me when I saw him at first. It's a young bear, but he's like a very, very big dog. And he just does not care that we're here. He's just sitting down, laying into that salmon still. I don't know, should I just go back to fishing with him there? Well, I guess we're just gonna go back to fishing right beside the bear. That's a novel little thing. Yeah, I actually did right before we saw the bear have one that I'm pretty sure was mouth hooked that I lost. You should have seen, like, you thought he was close right there. When I looked behind me here, he was like, see that bush? He was like behind that bush. Like I was looking at the bear in the face at my eye level. Oh my God, the bear, I am. The bear is swimming across. Look at him, he's swimming across the river.
Oh, that's good. Don't catch him. That would be bad. Big guy, thanks for that. Appreciate that.
Bye.
Wow, he's gonna be right. Like I can't count.
See you, buddy. Have a good one. It's amazing how an animal like that can float so well. That's a pretty funny shot. The bear that just swam across the river, walking along, and the seagulls fighting over a fish.
Yeah, they got the dead salmon.
All right, it's been maybe a half hour, 45 minutes of fishing the big pool for Chinook. And the real reason I wanted to come here is what I'm now going to do. I'm gonna have a look at the cliff, see if there's any coho, and go down there, try a bit of twitch jigs and spinners in the areas that I've hooked them in there before and had them follow. See if I can't make something happen. See if I can break my curse of losing every coho that I hook in this river. Got a coho on the twitch jig, on the black and blue. It's a good fish too, it's like 7 pounds. He's really rolling around down there. Oh, it's a beauty. I'm gonna have to get him over this shelf here to land him. That's gonna be a really sketchy thing to do. This is gonna be difficult. No, 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 no! Which has only been 2, but still. I've also had a couple others just barely not bite it that were pretty big, like 2 8-pounders on 2 separate days. Wow, Dad just had, we'd pretty much given up and we're just about to go upriver, and Dad just had like a 10-pound.
7.
You had it was a big fish.
It was okay.
And it was a bright silver coho.
Yeah.
And it just jumped and he lost it, and it was on the spinner. I don't know if it's a coho or Chinook, but, oh Jesus. Holy shit, he took on the twitch jig. He's right in front of me. I think it's a coho, but I'm not sure. And it's pretty big. It's kind of awkward here. I'm trying to hold my net and fight this fish. It's a little better. bad. He's rolling all over the place. Oh, shit. Oh. Oh, it's a coho. It's a coho. Yes! Let's go! Oh my God. My coho curse is broken with a beautiful buck. Oh my God. Yes! All right, I just need to stun this fish here so I can gill him without him flopping back into the water. And if you don't have a bonker, the old Mike Tyson is never a horrible idea. Get him gilled on the other side. And we're gonna bleed him in the water right now. A little bit of pressure bleeding as well. And it has been hard fought today. We've fished a lot of hours and walked quite a ways. We've lost a couple fish. My dad lost quite a nice coho on the spinner. Maybe eagle flying away in the background. My dad lost a pretty nice coho on the spinner. I lost a big coho this morning at French Creek in the ocean. And here is what I just got. A beautiful buck coho on the twitch jig that I tied. And just look at the jaws on that guy. I love when these bucks have that little hook jaw right there. This fish right here makes me so happy. Oh man, it has been hard fought today. I'm just babbling on and on here, so I'm going to meet up with Dad wherever he is. I think he's somewhere upriver, and I'm gonna clean this fish. Man, that fish was so last minute. That was literally going to be one of my last casts, and he took on the black and purple twitch jig. Just a beauty. Well, we were gonna clean the fish right here and get some nice footage of that, but there is a bear right over there that's, yeah, it's a really big one. Yeah, we gotta get out of here. Since we now know that they can swim across the river like that, we are leaving. Not the best knife in the world here, but it's working. Oh yeah, that's red meat.
Oh yeah, I could have told you that.
Oh yeah, and there is that meat. That is a gorgeous, fresh fish.